So hey everyone, today we are going to discuss a problem and the name of the problem is reverse a number. So the problem is much more clear with the name. So the problem statement says that you have to take an input n, and for that n you need to print the digit of that n in a reverse order. Okay, so in with that and how you have to print that, you have to print the digits of that number line by line but in a reverse order. Okay, so what does it mean? So it says that, for example, if I'm giving you a number that is 2569. Okay, so for this number, what do you have to do? You have to print the digits of this number. So so this number is made up of using 2, 5, 6 and 9. So how I have to print the digit? I need to print the digits in reverse order. So what is my answer? So my first value is 9, my second value will be 6, third value will be 5, and my fourth value will be 2. Okay, so this simple is be my answer. Okay, so I need to print my answer. I need to print the digits in a reverse order, but what I need to print them in a single line. Okay, so that is first one is 9, then 6, then again 5, then again 2. Okay, so let me consider again again a second test case. For example, if I given you give you a test case that is 254. Okay, so what could be the output for this test case? You can say my first digit is 4. I need to print it in a reverse order. In a reverse order from last to first. Okay, from last to first. Okay, so my last digit is 4, and after that I need to print 5, and after that I need to print 2. Okay, so how can I print those digits? For example, if I've given a number 254, so if I'll divide this number with a 10 and I'll store the remainder. So what I'm saying, I'm storing the remainder, not a question. I'm storing the remainder. For example, so 10 must be divided with 25, so it will give you 250, and the remainder will be what? That is equal to 4. So from here you will get your last digit. So you will get your last digit. Okay, so now your number will become, now its number changes to 25. Okay, so for this 25 you'll again divide it with 10. So after dividing it with 10, so now 10 into 2, that is equals to 20. So the remainder will be 5. So the next digit will be, that is 5. Okay, so you'll get the 5. First you'll get 4, now you'll get 5. Okay, so now the number reduces to 2. Okay, so again if we'll divide 2 with 10, so now what will be your answer? This is going to be 2. Okay, this is going to be so your remainder will be, that is remainder will be 2. Okay, so if your remainder is 2, that you'll store this remainder and now you'll get your answer. So I'm going to do the simple things as I have shown you in this part. I'm just going to code like this. How I'm going to code, let's clear with that code part. So for example, firstly I need to take an input for n. So okay, I'm taking input n for that. So input says that scn dot scanner dot next int, and after taking input, what I'll do, I'll run a loop till my number exists. That is while my n is greater than 0, I'll run a loop, and here I'll make a variable. That is I'm making it as an answer variable. So in this answer, what I'm going to store, that is n modulo 10. So n modulo 10 will store the remainder, and after storing that remainder, I need to divide it with 10, because after consider, for example, firstly I have find out my answer with for example, firstly I have for example, if my n is 254, so I have divided it with 10. So after dividing 10, I'll got the remainder 4. So what does it mean? I'll got my first digit. So I mean last first digit. Okay, so this is my last digit. I got my last. So if I need to find the second last digit, what I'll do now, my answer, now I need to check with this part only. So okay, so I'm storing that quotient only. So that's why I need to divide it with 10. So here you can see what I'm doing here. I'm just making my n, that is equals to n by 10. So it's store the it will store the quotient part, and again after doing this, I'll just simply print out my answer value. So this is sorry, there's some mistake. Yeah, so like this, I'll just print x. Okay, so I need to change the line. I need to print in line by line. So I'm just changing line with this ln thing. So I'm just using print ln, because I need to print every single digit in a single line. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. Let's submit that code. I hope everything is fine. So there is some error, system.out. Sorry, there is not X, it will be answer. So I hope you like the, so it got submitted. If you are having any of the queries or any of the doubt, then you can ask. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Thanks to all.